Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the volume level using the buttons on your steering wheel in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so first let's play some music. In here I have the radio, and now to change the volume using our steering wheel, here on the left side we have buttons to volume down and to volume up. So now I'll click on that and you can see that volume is changing on the panel. Right in here. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.